1985년 모스크바 시내.
Да.
Your cover's blown. Go to the embassy now.
Okay.
소식을 전해들은 비밀 요원들은 대피를 시작하지만 이미 너무 늦어버린 상황이었고
Пожалуйста, ваши документы.
I'm an American citizen. Is there a problem?
Идите за мной.
Call Ambassador Hartman. Tell him the code 13.
결국 여자는 소련 정부에게 붙잡히고 마는데
I want you to deliver a message to your people.
그렇게 CIA에 도착한 의문의 소포를 열어보는 남자. 그렇게 시작되는 한 여자의 인생을 뒤바꾼 이야기. 그로부터 5년 후 모스크바의 한 시장. 남자는 시장을 걸으며 누군가를 찾고 있었고 이윽고 자신이 찾던 인물을 발견하는데
Простите, пожалуйста.
I'm interested in you. I'm a scout for a modeling agency in Paris.
자신의 직감을 믿고 캐스팅을 시작한 남자는 모든 비용에 대한 전폭적인 지원을 제안하고
What's your name?
Анна.
그렇게 안나는 남자의 제안을 받아들여 파리에서의 새 출발을 시작합니다.
Welcome to your new home, your room, and your bathroom. And this is Maud.
Hi. Anna.
모델 생활을 시작한 안나는 특출난 재능을 선보이며 순조롭게 모델업계에 적응했고 유명 인사들이 모이는 파티에도 초대받게 됩니다.
Allow me to introduce Oleg Filenko, a compatriot of yours, and one of our partners in the firm.
Do you stay in Paris?
No, I have a place in London.
A window to Europe.
In the springtime, there's not a city more beautiful. I throw a party there every year to celebrate its arrival. If I invited you to dinner, would that be considered too fast?
그렇게 눈이 맞은 두 사람은 연인 관계로 발전하게 되지만
What's wrong?
I don't want to be one of the girls you're just gonna throw away.
What more do I have to say to convince you?
Maybe you can tell me something more about yourself.
I've told you I'm an import-export. It's boring. And once in a while I may step over a legal line or two.
올렉의 진짜 정체는 무역 제재를 받는 나라에 생필품과 무기를 밀반입시키는 브로커였고
I shouldn't be having this conversation with anyone. You want proof? There it is.
Where's the bathroom?
그렇게 자신의 사랑을 증명한 올렉에게 돌아온 건 차가운 총알뿐이었습니다. 3년 전 낡은 아파트에서 남자친구와 함께 살아가던 중이던 안나.
Решил послужить своей стране. Не занимайся херней. Тем более они тебя проверят на наркотики.
Ты подсадил меня на наркоту.
안나는 약쟁이인 남친에게 붙잡혀 시궁창 같은 인생을 살아가고 있었고
Тормози.
안나의 남친은 또다시 사고를 치기 시작하는데 이들은 노인을 납치해 ATM을 털려던 것이었고
Где деньги? Я понял, деньги, где там деньги?
Поехали домой.
Ты не видишь, я работаю.
그때 현장에 신고를 받은 경찰이 출동하고 결국 돌이킬 수 없는 사고를 치고 맙니다. 경찰과의 추격전이 시작되고
Что делаешь, придурок? Сядь в машину!
광란의 질주를 이어가던 안나의 차량은 결국 전복당하고 마는데
Давай пойдем домой.
Мы должны свалить через 5 минут.
그렇게 집으로 돌아와 도망칠 준비를 시작하는 안나의 남자친구. 그런데 누군가 이들의 집에 찾아와 있었고
Anna Polyatova. We all have turning points in our lives. Most of the time we can't see them until they're in our rearview mirror. But I'm here to tell you this is one of those moments.
Аня, ты что сидишь? Собирайся.
A few days ago you filed an application to enlist in the Navy.
I'll enlist in anything that gets me out of this shitty existence.
Your father was a lieutenant, but you didn't write that in your application. And you were a cadet at Omsk Military Academy, but you dropped out at 17.
Then my parents died.
남자는 안나를 KGB 요원으로 스카우트하기 위해 찾아왔던 것이었고
1 year's military training, 4 years operational in the field.
And when it's done?
In 5 years you're free to go.
No.
하지만 안나는 제안을 거절하고 자결을 시도합니다.
It's gonna take me to another shitty town in another shitty box.
To make your own choices in your life. But what you can't do is reject life itself. Your life was a gift. This is what your father would want for you. Their lives are over, but yours isn't.
고민 끝에 스파이의 길에 들어서게 된 안나는 1년간의 혹독한 훈련을 마치고 정식 요원이 되기 위한 마지막 테스트를 시작합니다.
He'll be at one of the back tables.
And the gun?
When you're done, grab his phone, come out the back door. We'll be waiting with the car. You have 5 minutes.
그렇게 시작되는 안나의 테스트. 가볍게 표적을 찾아낸 안나는 총을 뽑아들고 임무를 완수하는 탄창이 빈 채로 지급되었던 안나의 총기. 결국 그녀는 6턴전에 돌입하게 되고
minutes.
모든 경비를 제압하고 목표를 향해 다가가는 안나. 떨어져 있던 포크를 이용해 표적을 처리하는 데에는 성공하지만
That's 5 minutes. Let's go.
We should give her an extra minute.
Why? Why is that?
Because accomplishing this mission in 5 minutes is impossible.
Adversity is a good teacher.
Here.
I gave you 5 minutes, you took 5 hours. Well done.
The gun? It was not even fucking loaded.
You should have checked your equipment.
할 말이 없네.
Do you know why I have a limp?
자신이 겪었던 훈련에 대해 이야기를 시작하는 올가.
The truth is that during training I was dropped in the Karakan forest in Siberia. There are wolves in the Karakan. There are also wolf traps buried in the snow. So I dragged a steel jaw on my leg for 3 days. When I finally got back to the camp, my instructor handed me a screwdriver and said, "Trouble never sends a warning."
Won't happen again.
No, it won't.
우여곡절 끝에 정식 스파이가 된 안나.
You have 14 days prep time. Use it wisely.
그렇게 그녀의 첫 번째 임무가 시작됩니다.
So, you get paid to look for girls?
I'm expected to find 5 or 6 girls each trip, but now I'm struggling.
Have you tried the market on Izmailovsky Park?
계획대로 모델 스카우터를 공원으로 유도하는 데 성공한 요원들.
He's entering the market. He'll be with you in 5 minutes.
Sure, copy that.
그렇게 안나는 스카우터의 눈에 들어 파리로 향할 수 있게 되었고
How's your new life?
If I was living alone, it would be easier.
How's your roommates?
Nothing I can handle. French girl keeps hitting on me.
How's the sex?
How do you know?
I work for KGB, baby.
그렇게 안나는 KGB가 짜놓은 작전대로 올렉에게 접근하는 데 성공해 그를 제거해야 했던 것. 그 후 대역을 이용해 완벽한 알리바이를 만든 뒤 CCTV 녹화 파일을 들고 현장을 빠져나옵니다. 마담. 그 후 예상대로 올렉 살인 사건의 참고인으로 조사를 받게 되는 안나.
I'm Agent Leonard Miller. I'm in Paris on assignment. Fairy tale you got going on here, huh? Vegetable seller in Moscow. The top flight model in what, 6 months? When did you see him last?
Last week, I think.
현장의 카메라엔 올렉이 죽은 후 호텔을 빠져나오는 안나의 모습이 찍혀 있었고
I sat at the lounge bar and I waited for him, but he never came. Can't you look at the hotel security cameras?
Oh, you noticed them?
They're everywhere.
Tapes were erased. Looks like we're dealing with pros.
레너드는 여전히 안나가 의심스러웠지만 증거가 없었기에 일단은 풀어주기로 하는데
I'll see you around.
What's he like?
Smart, handsome, a bit of an ass.
Typical CIA.
Gave me light grilling, nothing more.
Keep out of trouble till next Sunday. You're coming back to Moscow.
안나의 집을 찾아온 알렉스. 두 사람은 어느새 연인 관계로 발전해 있었고
No family, no attachment to anybody or anything. She can turn her back on us at any time.
She has been well trained.
이날은 안나의 인사평가가 진행되던 날.
They say you're good at chess. We should play.
I'm nearly done 2 years. When my 5 years up, do I have to stay in Moscow?
What's all this about 5 years, Olga?
With all due respect, few have lasted 5 years in my department.
Except you.
I've eliminated 27 targets in 2 years, but I've been told that
There's only one way to leave the KGB.
약속과는 달리 KGB는 안나를 놓아줄 생각이 없었고 심란한 마음을 뒤로 한 채 안나는 파리로 돌아옵니다.
I actually want to go for a walk. In the rain? We'll stop.
Is this my life now, Alex? Stealing mobile phones, waiting to catch a bullet between my eyes? You give me some bullshit speech about choices and path, and promise me my fucking freedom in 5 years. You thought I was gonna be long dead before that, didn't you?
Well, not everyone makes it through, I'll give you that. Give yourself time, Anna. It plays in your favor. Powers will shift, enemies can vanish. You do what you can to stay alive.
Promise me something, Alex. If I find a way to get free one day, would you be on my side?
I'll do my best.
Listen, I know that you're going through a very, very rough time. What I want you to know is that I love you the way you are. And I'm always gonna be there for you whenever you need me.
Okay, girls, let's do this.
안나는 아무렇지도 않은 척 모델과 스파이를 오가며 이중 생활을 이어가지만
That was really nice.
Do you know that I have to leave at 5, right?
No problem. In 1 hour, you are finished, okay?
Awesome.
하지만 예전과는 다르게 촬영은 길어졌고
Remember, you are princesses, not transvestites, yeah? So I'd like to see your feminine energy, if I could, please. Strike the pose, yeah?
Okay, I had enough.
결국 참아왔던 스트레스가 폭발하는 안나.
Oh, she is not happy. Why? Fucking hell, there's blood!
I said, give me your best smile. Oh, that's better. Now be a dog. That's a wrap.
쉴 틈도 없이 서둘러 다음 임무를 위해 안나는 이동을 시작합니다.
We're an hour late.
I came here as soon as I could.
All this called at least 10 times already.
Give me the fucking file. Shut the fuck up.
Wertenberg, 49, German diplomat with the embassy in Poland. All illegal money from the Middle East goes through him. So we have no leverage for blackmail. He does, however, have one weak spot.
Let me guess.
Bring me the attaché case, keys, documents, and the fingerprint. Any questions?
안나는 매춘부로 위장해 타깃에게 접근을 시작하고
Go any further and you will have to pay.
It's about time.
Sorry. Traffic. Fashion week. May I use your bathroom?
Yes, but hurry.
손쉽게 작전을 마치고 방으로 돌아옵니다.
You were in there 12 minutes.
Oh, he wasn't very cooperative.
So where is his print?
We can leave them off this.
Oh, you idiot. Didn't you read the memo?
Yeah, I've read it.
So where's his fucking index finger?
평소의 완벽한 모습과는 다르게 실수를 저지르고만 안나.
My mistake and I gotta do this.
While you're there, bring back your watch. Never leave anything behind.
안나는 다시 방으로 돌아가 손가락을 썰어오는데
Can I go to bed now? Is there anyone else you need me to kill or mutilate?
What's wrong with you?
I'm just so tired of everything.
Take a break.
올가는 안나가 무너지는 걸 막기 위해 일주일간의 휴가를 부여하고
Hey, girls. Can I buy you a drink?
Unless you're a billionaire, keep on walking, man.
그렇게 짧은 휴가를 마치고 복귀하는 안나.
Enjoy your vacation.
Yeah, it was wonderful. Even got you a present. Here, it's a postcard.
Lovely. Time to get back to work.
재충전을 마친 그녀는 다시 한번 이중 생활을 시작합니다. 그 후 반년간의 임무를 통해 많은 공적을 쌓아올린 안나는
You're flying back to Moscow next week. The boss wants to see you.
KGB의 수장 바실리에프는 최근 높은 성과를 올린 안나에게 훈장을 수여하기 위해 본국으로 귀환시킨 것이었고
Service ends, your name will be engraved on the wall at the entrance, and the pension will be paid to your heirs if you have any. What do you think? Do you deserve such an honor? Check.
돌아오는 안나의 대답은
No. Mate.
순식간에 바실리에프를 처리한 안나.
Lay down.
You're a dead woman.
I love you too.
안나는 알렉스를 마취시키고 KGB의 기밀들을 빼내기 시작합니다. 대체 안나는 왜 이런 짓을 벌이는 것일까요? 이야기는 6개월 전 독일 외교관 암살 사건으로 돌아갑니다. 안나는 작전을 진행하던 중 미리 숨어있던 특수부대의 함정에 빠져 체포당하고 말았었고,
Don't look so surprised. I told you I'd see you around. Right now, I can pin you for the murder of Oleg Filankov's bodyguards, the clerk at Lamari's, the attempted murder of Frederick Württemberg, not to mention the whole espionage thing. You work for us, you live. Dinner's optional.
레너드는 CIA의 이중 스파이가 될 것을 안나에게 제안하지만
Kill me. All you're offering is the same shit I get from my people. Be a slave or die.
All right, tell me what'll make you happy.
Freedom. And protection.
That's a tall order. All right, here goes. You work for us for 3 years, then we make you disappear.
No. I work for 1 year. That's the max before my cover is blown anyway. I don't want to leave by the sea.
Okay, any suggestions?
Hawaii.
Hawaii. All right, Hawaii it is.
How did you catch me?
The way you hold your bag.
그렇게 돌이킬 수 없는 이중 스파이 생활을 시작하게 된 안나의 운명은 과연 어떻게 되는 걸까요? 지금까지 시궁창 인생을 탈출하기 위해 스파이의 길을 선택한 한 여자의 이야기, 안나였습니다.